السلام علیکم پریمی ایکسپو چینل میں خوش آمدید۔ اگر آپ فرسٹ ٹائم میرے چینل دیکھ رہے ہو تو کائنڈلی چینل کو سبسکرائب کرے تاکہ ایسے مزید انفارمیٹیو ویڈیو کے لیے لیٹ سٹارٹ دا ویڈیو۔ کوشچن نمبر 18، محمد علی جناح joined All India Muslim League in the year of. Answer is 1913. Question number 19, from 1937 to 1944, all the 8 annual sessions of All India Muslim League were presided over by. Answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Question number 20, Muslim League observed Day of Deliverance after the resignation of the Congress minister in the year of. Answer is 1939. Question number 21, All India Muslim League passed the historic Lahore resolution in its 27th annual session held in Minto Park, Lahore on. Answer is 23rd March 1940. Question number 22. In 1942, Muslim League did not take part in. Answer is Quiet India movement. Question number 23. The step which ignited the War of Independence was. The answer is introduction of grease cartridges. Question number 24. The British general who captured Delhi from Bakht Khan was. Answer is Sir John Soar. Question 25. After the War of Independence, the British government assumed control of India through. Answer is Queen Proclamation of 1858. Question 26. In the Provincial Assembly election held in 1946, the Muslim League won 492 Muslim seats. Question 27. In the interim government formed in India in 1946, the Muslim League was given. Answer is 5 ministers. Question number 28. Who was the main architect of the joint meeting of Congress and League in Lucknow in 1916? Answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Question 29. The Muslim of subcontinent launched the Khilafat movement in the year of. Answer is 1919. Question number 30. In 1990, the Khilafat conference held its first meeting in the city. Answer is Amritsar. Question number 31. At the time when the Khilafat delegation visited England in 1920, the British PM was. Answer is Lord George. Question number 32. The Congress launched non-cooperation movement in. Answer is September 1920. Question number 33. In 1920, the historic non-cooperation resolution was moved by. Answer is M.K. Gandhi. Question number 34. Mahatma Gandhi call of non-cooperation movement when a violent mob attacked a police station in the Chowri Chowra and killed 21 policemen. This accident took place on. Answer is 5th February 1922. Question number 35. The Statutory Commission of 1928 comprised of 7 members and was headed by. Answer is Sir John Simon. Question number 36. The Simon Commission visited India in. Answer is 1928. Question number 37. When Simon Commission visited India, General League and Congress boycott Commission because. Answer is no Indian has been included in it. Question number 38. Simon Commission's report was published in the year. Answer is 1930. Question number 39. In 1955, Sindh was separated from Mumbai due to. Answer is Simon Commission report. Question number 40. The recommendation of the committee under Motilal are called Nehru Report, which was submitted in answer is August 1928.